Today I am talking about processing gain in DSS system and its impact on performance. What is DSS? Direct Spread Spectrum Sequencing. DS is a spread narrowband data winded signal using a high rate PN frequency, involves privacy and reduced interferences, used in CDMA, Wi-Fi and used in GPS. What is the process of gain? Measure how much spreading is applied, shows ability to reject noise and interferences is rejected. What is mean by PG signal? Spread bandwidth and data bandwidth. Higher BG is the better performance of the processing of gain. How DSS achieve a gain processing? Data multiplied with the PN frequency. PN frequency is a high chip rate used in achieve a processing gain. Receiver de-spreaded to re-recovery data. Mathematical expression is chip rate is denoted by RC, data rate is RB, processing gain formula used in RC divided by RC. Example MCS 1 MBS PC is equal to 10. Processing gain and gain formula. Processing gain is a measured signal spreading representation, signal to noise ratio. It is used in higher PC, better performance. Example, 10 megakilowatt, 100 kilowatt, less than 20 dB. Impact on noise performance. It is impact on, first of all, noise path, winded signal de-spreading, strengthening signal weakness signs, improve SNS, signal noise ratio, reduce a bit errors. Impact on system performance. Impact on systems is higher PG gives better reliability, low power BE or longer range, better multiplier performance. Impact on performance, narrowband power becomes very low or spreading DAS robust noise environment. Advantages is high improved noise signal ratio, better security signals. Disadvantages, very large bandwidth complex, high power consumption, low spectral efficiency. Application of used in GPS in location used for CDMA mobile system used in military secure used for this location. This location is identified in military secure application, communications and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Thank you.